Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use double space word. Chapter 1. How to use double space word from paragraph. To get started, open Word. Now select the desired text. Then, in the paragraph group, click on spacing between lines and paragraphs to select the 2.0 option. Validate the change. Alternatively, you can go to the Design menu. Here, from paragraph spacing, choose Double. You can see that the spacing in the text is changed. Chapter 2. How to use double space word from the keyboard. It is a very simple method. You must select the text. Then, combine the control keys +2. Double spacing will automatically be applied. Chapter 3. How to double space word using context menu. To begin, select the text, then right-click on it and select paragraph. Now in the line spacing field, choose the double option. Click OK to see the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.